If you're selling on Depop using a dropshipping model, here's exactly how to fulfill orders properly while minimizing issues and staying organized. So when a buyer places an order, you need to go to your sold items section and review the full details, such as item variation, size, color, and shipping address. Double check everything before placing your supplier order. Then immediately place the order with your supplier using the buyer's shipping information. Make sure the product matches your listing exactly to avoid returns or disputes. Then, if possible, select options like no invoice or no promotional material. This prevents confusion and keeps your store presentation consistent. Then, upload tracking. Once your supplier ships the item, copy the tracking number and return to Depop. Open the order and add tracking details so the buyer can monitor delivery. Then keep buyer updated. You can send a short message confirming shipment and estimated delivery time. Clear communication reduces refund requests and negative reviews. If delays or issues occur, contact your supplier immediately and update the buyer. Quick responses protect your account and reputation. This is how you fulfill dropshipping orders on Depop. Verify details, place the supplier order correctly, upload tracking, and maintain communication throughout the process. I hope our videos and tutorials help you guys. If they do, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate that a lot, and thank you for watching.